Crane is ready. Engine's ready. Bonnet is off. Engine mounts are on. So the engine is now ready to go in. I'm just waiting on a pressure plate to go on the back of this, and I'm not fitting it in the hole until I know everything is good and tickety-boo and everything lines up. It's only a matter of waiting for another few days, and then she's going to be ready to go in the hole, which I'm looking forward to. Now this might seem over the top, but when you've paid for the paint as I have, I am doing my best to look after everything. So that's an hole, isn't it? Look at that. So I've got obviously enough clearance to go around the engine mountings, which is fine. It just scares me that this paint was such a lot of money for me, and I just can't run the risk of anything being damaged, as it were. So I've got a very thick Continental quilt, because this is the bit that most of the time takes a bit of a clump, and the back there. But there's also another blanket underneath the back of that. I've got these two Continental quilts as well. So I'm nearly ready. I've taken off the taken the starter motor out, taken the alternator off, and taken the carburetors off. So everything is off. So that's where I am. So it's now just the next week job. I'll keep you informed as I go.